we'll guide you through how to receive payment from Stripe. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Stripe website. Log into your Stripe account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. Look for the Payments section in the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on it to see a list of all your recent transactions. To receive your payments, you need to set up your bank account. Click on Settings in the lower left corner, then select Bank Accounts and Scheduling. Here, you'll add your bank account details by clicking Add Bank Account. Enter your bank's name, the account number, and the routing number. Make sure all the information is accurate to avoid any delays. Once your bank account is linked, go back to the Payments section. You can now initiate a transfer by clicking on Transfers at the top of the screen. Then, click Transfer Funds. Choose the amount you wish to transfer, select your bank account from the drop-down menu, and confirm the transfer. Stripe will process your request, and you'll receive your funds within 1 to 2 business days, depending on your bank's policies. To ensure a smooth process, regularly check your email for any notifications from Stripe about your payment status. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.